In this section, we're going to take a closer look at where we put our JavaScript within the HTML. There are actually three options. We can embed our JavaScript, we can attach our JavaScript, or we can put our JavaScript in the header of the document. I think one of these options is best, and I'll tell you why during the segment. We're also going to dig into the event-driven model of JavaScript. We're going to take a look at some of the different JavaScript events, and I'm going to show you how to use events to cause certain segments of JavaScript code to execute. In these 252 pages are all of the standards for appropriate JavaScript. Now, this is not a good reference for actually learning JavaScript, but it is a final and definitive answer to what exactly is correct JavaScript. For example, I pulled up page 94, and we see the information about assignment operators, which we'll look at later. So here I've put up some of the common JavaScript events. For example, we have onload and onUnload, when the page loads or when the page unloads, and the page goes away, in other words. OnFocus and blur. You might have noticed when you fill out a form online, a certain field might have the focus. That's the field you're typing into. We can write JavaScript events for when a field gets the focus. I'm going to bring it up in the browser. I'm going to refresh, and there's the press me button. And that caused the JavaScript to execute, which says you pressed the button. Let's look at the code one more time. In this section, we took a look at where to place your JavaScript code, looking at embedding it in actual HTML commands, putting it in the head and the body, and finally, attaching JavaScript, which I think is the most efficient way to write your JavaScript code.